Apples are among the most beloved fruits in the world, and their reputation as a symbol of health is centuries old. They are eaten fresh, baked, juiced, or turned into desserts, but one part of the fruit is frequently overlooked: the peel. For many people, the skin is seen as unnecessary, tough, or less pleasant than the juicy flesh, and so it is peeled away and discarded. This habit, however, means missing out on a wealth of nutrients and bioactive compounds that reside almost entirely in the peel. In reality, apple skin is not a decorative cover or something to throw in the bin. It is a dense source of fibers, antioxidants, vitamins, and plant-based chemicals that can bring powerful benefits to human health when consumed consistently. Much of the nutritional strength of the apple is concentrated on the outside. The flesh contains water, natural sugars, and certain micronutrients, but the peel stores antioxidants such as quercetin catechins, triterpenoids, and a variety of polyphenols. These compounds are known for reducing oxidative stress, lowering inflammation, protecting the heart, and even playing a role in cancer prevention. It is not an exaggeration to say that by discarding the peel, one discards some of the apple's greatest gifts. Eating the whole fruit is a simple choice that multiplies its protective potential. One of the primary contributions of apple peel lies in its dietary fiber. The skin is rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which together regulate digestion, improve bowel regularity, and support satiety. People who include apple peel in their daily diet often notice that they feel full for longer periods, which naturally assists in controlling appetite and weight. At the same time, the fiber in the peel feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut, acting as a prebiotic. A strong microbiome influences not only digestion but also immunity, metabolic stability, and even mood regulation. Since the gut is deeply connected with brain health, quercetin is another star compound concentrated in apple peel. This flavonoid is widely studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It shields cells from oxidative damage, lowers markers of inflammation, and supports vascular health. Regular intake of quercetin has been linked to reduced risk of chronic conditions, such as cardiovascular disease and certain neurodegenerative disorders. In addition, quercetin influences the immune system, improving the body's ability to respond to infections and lowering the burden of environmental stressors. While the apple's flesh contains some quercetin, the skin is by far the richest source. The triterpenoids found in apple peel deserve special mention. These are plant compounds with growing evidence of anti-cancer activity. Laboratory research indicates that certain triterpenoids can slow the proliferation of tumor cells and may even trigger apoptosis or programmed cell death in malignant tissues. While it is important not to treat apple peel as a miracle cure, including it as part of a balanced diet may help reduce long-term cancer risk in a preventive way. Such compounds reinforce the concept that everyday foods, when consumed whole, can offer protective power beyond basic nutrition. The cardiovascular benefits of apple peel are particularly relevant in modern society, where heart disease remains the leading cause of mortality worldwide. The fiber present in the peel lowers LDL cholesterol, often labeled bad cholesterol, while supporting higher levels of HDL, the good cholesterol. This balance helps prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries, protecting against atherosclerosis and its complications. The potassium content of apple peel further contributes by helping regulate blood pressure, reducing strain on the heart and arteries. Individuals who habitually eat apples with peel tend to show lower cardiovascular risk compared to those who prefer peeled fruit. Another significant aspect of apple peel is its role in blood sugar regulation. The compounds in the peel slow down the absorption of glucose in the digestive tract. By preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar, the peel becomes an ally for people with type 2 diabetes or those trying to avoid insulin resistance. Stable blood sugar is not only crucial for metabolic health, but also helps control appetite and prevent energy crashes. Unlike restrictive diets, incorporating apple peel into meals is an accessible, natural method for maintaining glycemic balance. Immune protection is another field where apple peel shines. The vitamin C and polyphenols found in the skin act as reinforcements for the immune system. These compounds boost the body's defenses, helping it fight off viruses and bacteria more effectively. During cold and flu season, or in periods of high stress, apple peel can serve as an additional shield, reducing the likelihood of infections and supporting faster recovery when illness occurs. Interestingly, apple peel also influences mental health. Because of the gut-brain axis, what we eat shapes not just our body but also our mind. A healthier gut microbiome, supported by the fibers in apple peel, improves the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin. This may positively affect mood, reduce anxiety symptoms, and provide subtle yet real mental benefits. On another level, quercetin and other antioxidants in the peel protect neurons against oxidative damage, helping reduce cognitive decline. Some research even suggests that apple peel may play a role in lowering the risk of diseases such as Alzheimer's. Beyond daily nutrition, apple peel can be used to prepare calming beverages. Infusions made with the peel often carry a gentle soothing effect. When combined with cinnamon or chamomile, Apple peel tea can be consumed in the evening to relax the nervous system and improve sleep quality. This natural drink does not cause dependence or side effects, making it an excellent alternative for people seeking healthier nighttime rituals. In practical terms, incorporating apple peel into daily life is remarkably easy. The simplest approach is eating apples whole, after washing them thoroughly. But there are countless creative ways to use the peel beyond the fruit itself. It can be blended into smoothies, bringing fiber and antioxidants to breakfast. It can be infused in hot water for tea, or cold water for refreshing detox-style drinks. Dehydrated peels become crispy chips, offering a healthy snack alternative to industrialized products. Ground peels can be turned into powder or flour, which can enrich baked goods like muffins, breads, and cookies. They can also be cooked into jams or syrups that add natural sweetness and color to desserts. These culinary options not only enhance health but also promote sustainability. Using the peel reduces food waste, which is a significant environmental challenge. Every year, tons of fruit peels are discarded around the world. By repurposing apple peel into functional foods and drinks, individuals contribute to reducing unnecessary waste. It is a small but meaningful act of responsibility toward both the body and the planet. Of course, safety is an important consideration. Since the peel is the part of the apple most exposed to pesticides, choosing organic fruit whenever possible is ideal. If organic apples are not available, washing thoroughly with running water, and, if desired, using a baking soda solution can remove much of the residue. Proper cleaning ensures that the nutritional benefits of the peel are enjoyed without concern. When viewed as a whole, the contributions of apple peel to human health are vast. It supports digestion, helps with weight management, protects the cardiovascular system, regulates blood sugar, strengthens immunity, calms the nervous system, nurtures mental health, and even offers anti-cancer potential. It is rare for a single food component to deliver such a wide spectrum of protective effects, and even rarer for that component to be the very part people often throw away. Eating apples with their skin is, therefore, one of the simplest and most impactful dietary changes anyone can make. It requires no special supplements, no complicated recipes, and no additional cost. All it takes is awareness, habit, and the willingness to appreciate the fruit in its complete form. In a world where chronic diseases are on the rise and people constantly search for new superfoods, the humble apple peel stands out as a reminder that extraordinary health benefits can come from ordinary choices. So next time you pick up an apple, think twice before peeling it. Recognize that the skin is not waste, but a nutrient-packed gift waiting to be used. By embracing the peel, you are not only nourishing your body more deeply, but also taking part in a lifestyle that values sustainability, prevention, and natural wellness. Inspired by the power of apple peel? Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and join us for weekly tips on natural ways to protect and enhance your health.